Alright, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to do the lazy girl method with Polygel. So I'm taking the P1 and I think, you know what, let me grab clear as well. I'm doing a lemonade set. How do we feel about that? I'm thinking like pink lemonade, but like, yeah, I'm thinking pink lemonade. So now I'm gonna grab the brush that came in the kit. So this is a paddle and then you have your brush on the other side. So paddle is going to grab the Polygel out. But first I'm gonna take Young Nails Protein Bond. And this is going to, you can etch the inside, but this I find works perfectly fine. It's essentially going to allow the Polygel to stick because it becomes sticky. So I just got this from Young Nails website. I know for sure I want some like at the very tip, so I think I'm just gonna take some of this base gel. So when I go in and put a couple at the tip, they're not going to move. So I'm grabbing the Crystal Katana and I want to make sure that these are really flat against the, yeah, see, that's not gonna work. Maybe if I just do the half ones. Yeah, so I'm finding I need to use the half ones on the part that is staying flush because you don't want bubbles in there and you want to make sure that it is nice and down. There we go. And I'm gonna cure these guys. Okay, now we can come in with our Polygel. I am going to do a marble, so I'm gonna start with Polygel. Is actually super easy to work with because it's like super, I don't know, adjustable, I guess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of just put it on and just drag a little bit through. Nothing too crazy. We'll deal with like the end part, meaning like where your actual nail is, but remember the more you get, the more you have to deal with. So I'm gonna split on these two. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab that pink, which this guy is amazing. And that's going to be my feature color. So we're essentially marbling these guys. I'm not to watch out, that better. It's hard to tell. So I'm gonna grab their slip solution. And I am going to just work it down. And this guy didn't stick. I don't think I had him in that gel, so we might see him move around a little bit. Okay. I'm just moving that Polygel towards parts of it. Now, since I have a good amount down, I'm going to stick another one of those little Fimo pieces. Is that what they're called? Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the moss. Okay, now I'm going to apply this. And the good thing about applying these is it's not going, I have a little bit of gel on my nails, by the way. So I like to push it down and then move it in because there is still Polygel under there. So I already had my base down. I don't think I mentioned that. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. Okay, and again, you can peek on the other side.
tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord.
All right, here we go. Little lemonade, a little bit of marbling. I really enjoyed this set. I hope you did too. I did add some crystals off camera because it takes me a minute to get the placement that I want. Again, we got that pinky that just likes to do whatever, but yeah. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.